tracking and fleet management solutions of gpsTrack.pro gpsTrack.pro are created for you to make complex things simple and to aid work and everyday life. Modern technologies and tracking systems enable you to follow different objects from the distance: people, transport, consignments, or animals. To follow the machinery, it must be equipped with a tracking device which can be connected to the ignition, car alarm, or fuel. This device determines your location with the help of a GPS system and transfers data by using the mobile network. Obtained data is stored and processed on a web server. The tracking device user needs a computer with an internet connection and any browser to log into the system and see the object's location on a map. It is also possible to see the route history and stops. The graph allows the system user to view and combine accumulated data on separate positions, speed, route, for vehicles, state of ignition, level of fuel, and operation of other devices. Different types of reports in the document format give a summary of performed activities. gpsTrack.pro will warn about the movement in a specified territory or will remind you about the data of a roadworthiness test. If a driver has a navigation device in the vehicle which is connected to a tracking device, it is possible to exchange text messages with gpsTrack.pro. The driver can write and answer or choose quick answer options like yes or no. A significant logistic function of the tracking system is the route planner, which allows the user to set the route destinations and send them directly to the driver's navigation device. The address search engine simplifies location finding. When the driver chooses one of the scheduled route destinations, the tracking system receives a notification with a prospective arrival time. This option is also available on a mobile phone with gpsTrack.pro software. System gpsTrack.pro works worldwide in regions where mobile network coverage is available. If there is no coverage, the device keeps data in an internal memory and sends it to the server as soon as a GSM network is available. Frequency and the amount of transferred data are changeable parameters. Usually data on a server is updated several times a minute. The tracking system has various versions. Also, it supports other tracking devices of different functionality. A stationary version of the program is provided for installation on the company's server. Find peace, save money, and optimize your expenses. Apply for testing of the GPS tracking service gpsTrack.pro by gpsTrack.pro and recommend it to others.